here are the barriers. You need to scan your ticket to go through. So here's the platform for my train. It's platform 5. The train to Gatwick Airport via Guildford. So this is Reading train station. It's spelt like reading, but it's pronounced Reading. So now I'm at the platform and this is the train. The priority seat for people who are disabled, pregnant or less able to stand. So I can't sit here. I can sit over here.
Our team is here to help. Please treat them and your fellow customers with respect.
Here is a power socket. Mobile phones and tablets only, so I can charge my phone. And there is free Wi-Fi. Connect to our free Wi-Fi network.
CCTV and body-worn cameras are used across our network.
Where is the train going?
This is a Great Western Railway service to Gatwick Airport.
Important train vocabulary. I'm sitting on the seat. This is a newspaper. Next to me, the window.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Gatwick Airport.
So you can see I've arrived at the destination and here at Gatwick Airport. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing and let me know in the comments where you're going next.